you wake up extremely early before sunrise to go surfing. Oh yeah, today's video is about surfing terms, but first, Dawn Patrol. Okay, so now you're probably thinking, why? Why would we get up before 5 AM in the morning to go surfing in a cold ocean? It's simple, because, well, most days when there's good surfing, I need to be at work. So then I have to go before work. And technically, it normally gets windy in the afternoon, so the surf is better early morning. It's best to go surfing when there's no wind, because then the ocean is smooth like glass. Then we call it glass. When the wind is up, we get 3 types of wind conditions. The first one is onshore. This is when the wind blows from the ocean towards the beach. This is a bad wind condition because the wind pushes the wave down from behind. Normally with this wind, it creates these small little bumpy waves that make you feel unstable. The one positive thing about these wind conditions is that sometimes the surface water in the ocean is heated up by the sun, and then this wind pushes the warm water in towards land, and where you're surfing, you get warm water. The second wind condition that we have is cross-shore wind. This is when the wind blows parallel with the wave. This can make the wave better or worse depending on the direction. But the negative thing about cross-shore winds is that most of the time when you sit at the breaking point or the takeoff zone of the wave, it will blow you away from that point. This causes you to constantly have to paddle back to get back to the takeoff zone. The takeoff zone is the place where the wave has the most energy, so that is where you want to be so that the wave will have enough power to push you to actually catch the wave. Offshore is the best type of wave condition because it blows from the land towards the wave, pushing the wave up, so it makes the waves bigger and hollower. The big negative about offshore waves is it pushes the warmer water out towards the ocean, so that the colder water that's been laying at the bottom of the ocean rises up to where you are surfing. An offshore wind should also not be too strong and the waves not too small, because it will also push the wave down from the front. When the wind makes those small little bumpy waves, we call it choppy. That's absolutely terrible to surf, because it feels like you are in like a dishwasher, and when you surf the waves, you actually feel unstable. Sometimes when the waves are too big, it hits the sandbag wrong, and then it doesn't allow you to surf in any direction. This is called a closeout, because the wave closes right in front of you. Some days the waves are very small, and when there's no waves at all, we call it flat, like a lake. There's nothing. Okay, so there's 2 ways of standing on a surfboard, regular and goofy. It's exactly the same as skateboarding. If you stand with your right foot forward, then you are goofy. If you stand with your left foot forward, then you're regular. Like this, like me, I'm goofy. Normally a wave breaks to the right or to the left. Depending on your stance, it will be on your backhand or your forehand. If you would be surfing a wave to the left, then it will be on your forehand if you are goofy. But if you are regular, it will be on your backhand. If you are goofy and you surf to the right, then it will be on your backhand. And if you are regular, it will be on your front hand. Okay, so this is what we call a leash. You put this on your board so you won't lose your board. And again, depending on your stance, it will always be on your back foot. guys, remember the video I did a week or so ago? I got a pretty nasty ding on my favorite board. A ding can be any damage done to a surfboard. Some are easy to repair. You can actually buy like little repair kits where you can repair your own board. But if it's like mine and it's a really bad ding, then you have to get it professionally repaired. Okay, so far out is a word used by surfers to say something's great or amazing or awesome or something spectacular. Normally like when you just got a sick wave or something, you know. So amped means being really excited or just being pumped up for something, normally about surf. But I'm really amped that you're still watching this video. Okay, so bailing normally means jumping off your board into the water to avoid a bad situation, like normally like a closeout or something. Okay, normally to get a dude to go surfing, you'll have to say, dude, it's going off. Then the dude will know there's great surfing and he'll have to come surf with you. Okay, that's it for this week's video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I post a new video every single Sunday, so see you next week.